like, and we've gone with something called Shake Shack. So I don't know if any of you have done any traveling or have encountered these, but what this is, it's a fast-growing chain of hamburger restaurants. In 2003, they literally got a contract to set up a mobile, like food cart in Madison Square Park, which is in Manhattan. And it was just so successful, they opened a store, and now they've got about 40 or 50. They've got a couple of them in other countries outside of the US, but the whole concept here is an organic burger. They also serve things like frozen custard and what have you, but the burger and the sort of artisanal freshness of the ingredients is the key.
Yes.
Listed on the market, I mean, just one of those sort of cult things where people are very excited about the product.
Yeah, a real American success story, as you say.
Oh, sorry, I didn't point this out, but it's small, right? It's got a market capitalization, which I saw yesterday at 1.3 billion US dollars, not 549. But anyway, don't worry about that. Not profitable, no price to earnings ratio. Sorry, I interrupted you.
So as I was saying, the real success story, I mean, from a food cart to a company with 1.3 billion market cap. 66 stores around the world, predominantly in the US, but they have some stores internationally. And capitalizing on that trend I was speaking earlier of a better offering, a healthier offering, a more gourmet offering, more bespoke, kind of fresh offering. Whether they can replicate that on scale, on mass, is I think the big question which people ask. But 66 stores around the world, so there is some scale. And I think the big opportunity here is that international rollout. If they can get to a huge number of stores, if you compare this to, say, the market cap of McDonald's, which is, let's say, 100 billion, versus this one, which is in a 1 billion, is this the potential 10-bagger? Is this the next McDonald's of the international marketplace? But it's probably not as volume and as scale as McDonald's, but I think there is room to grow.
Because this one sort of owns its stores, as far as I know, or do they do a franchise model as well?
No, my understanding is they own the stores at this point.
And if you do want to try them out, when you fly SAA to JFK, there is a Shake Shack in the departure lounge of Terminal 4. This is why I'm knowledgeable about this. I must say, delicious is the only word you can use to describe these. I don't know what it is about the way that they prepare the burgers, but they're a lot juicier than the typical sort of industrialized sort of burger that you might enjoy at McDonald's or at Burger King or the likes.
So really capitalizing
but
on
let's
that
look at the share chart. The problem here is you're talking about the sort of must-own type stock. It comes on the market in the course of 2015, so it's only been listed for about a year, and it goes literally from $40 where it opens all the way to 100. Just because everyone's going crazy and nobody can think that it's got anything other than a brilliant future. But since then, reality hits and there's a concern that maybe it's ludicrously overvalued because it's not yet profitable and it's not paying dividends. So now it's gone from 100 back down to 36. So what does one do? I mean, is this the kind of company you just buy a few of and you say, well, if it turns to be a big one, it's a big one?
I think it is. It's almost like you've got to treat it as with an optionality.
It's an affinity purchase.
You buy it with limited downside, $36 downside with hopefully infinite upside. And really, growing the number of stores will grow this business. So the forward P is about 100, so not cheap at all. Totally overvalued at $100. The issue price, which you couldn't get into, was $21 on the IPO.
So they opened the first day at 40.
So a huge pop on listing, and then a lot of hype right up to $100, and then reality hitting, and now a more reasonable value, but still highly priced at 100 forward PE.
Okay, so hot or not?
No, on this I would put a few away and hopefully it will grow. So I'm hot on this one.
Okay, well, I've been thinking about buying some as well too, so I'm going to go hot there.